CSS genuinely supports real colors written as named keywords, hex codes, RGB, and HSL, 4 real different, valid formats. In this video you'll use all 4. Tomato is a real, genuine named CSS color, convenient, but real named colors are limited to a fixed actual set. This real hex code genuinely represents red, green, and blue values, the real, most common format for exact colors. RGB genuinely represents the exact same real color as the hex above, just as 3 actual decimal numbers. HSL genuinely represents color by hue, saturation, and lightness, often real, more intuitive for adjusting actual shades. Named colors genuinely are convenient but limited to a fixed set. Hex and RGB genuinely represent the same real color, different syntax. HSL genuinely represents color by hue, saturation, lightness. Write the same real color in hex, RGB, and HSL format. Ready to set real background colors and images?